feels so right. I'm thinking every night, you're the reason why. Yes, I feel so nice.
Hey guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Today we are starting the Kalahari vlog day 2. If you guys didn't see the first one, make sure you go check out that one before you come here. Also, I bought this bow thing. I think it looks really cute. Alright, I'm going to show you what I'm wearing today. Nothing special. I have this dress from Forever 21. It ties in the front and it's completely buttoned down, so I can literally just pop this off like that. I have this black cardigan from Express I just bought, and then my shoes are Puma once again. My necklace is from Pandora, thanks to my boyfriend. That's it. Okay, we're gonna do a quick room tour. The room is a mess because we've been here for a day already, but I'm gonna show you guys the room. This is the door, and this is the bathroom. This is the closet as soon as you come in. Here we have the sink where everyone brushes their teeth, microwave, and a big mirror. Here are both of the beds. We have 6 people, so two, and then me and Chris are on the couch. This is just a little desk they have, and Ashley's right there trying to get her stuff together. And then we have a TV. Basically, this is my view of the room. This is our view, which is, it's so beautiful. It's definitely cold outside and windy, but they have a fountain, which is nice. As you can see, this is a huge building. There's a water park and everything, and we're going there today, but we're heading to breakfast, so I have to go.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
Okay, so breakfast was kind of hectic. We literally had to wait there for like 30 minutes to be seated. I couldn't really record much with the camera just because there was a lot of people, and I'm working on my confidence, working on it. But now we're in the swimwear store and we're trying to find Ashley a bathing suit. It's Chris's little sister. Hers is a little too big, so we're just shopping around. So basically what we're gonna do today is, right now we're changing for the water park, and then we're gonna probably spend most of the day there. I do not have a GoPro or anything waterproof, so I probably won't film just because I don't want to mess up my camera or my iPhone. I'm gonna change, show you guys my bathing suit, and then I'm gonna head to the water park. But I'll definitely see you guys when we come back and go to dinner. We have a lot more people today, so I'm probably gonna vlog a little less, but we're still gonna try. Okay, this is the bathing suit from Target. It's just striped, and yeah, and then it's kind of low in the back. Okay, we're heading out to the water park. I'll talk to you guys later. I'm gonna leave my camera because I don't want to ruin it. Bye! Wow, I look hurt. I look like I have no hair. Anyway, we found the pool outside where it's like an adult pool, so we're just chilling. Chris is just swimming and I'm just trying to stay warm. It's cold outside, but the water is like kind of decent. I got my phone out so I could record for some things, but I didn't bring my camera, so I can't record too much. But look, I want to show you guys. This is the pool. That's Chris over there. But you see, like, yes, the indoor water park, and then they have like an outdoor section, but it is closed for the season, which is sad because I see that wall all the way over there that I really want to take a picture on. But it's fine. Anyway, it's getting really cold, so I think we're gonna go inside right now and like find his family and hang out with them. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, we showered, or I should say I showered. I got ready, so I'm going to show you what I'm wearing for dinner. Let's see if I can turn this light on. Okay, so I have the same hair thing from Express. The cardigan from Express. Dress is Forever 21, and shoes are Payless, I think. We have more family here today, so I think we're going out as a group today. There's 9 of us. I think we're going to Olive Garden, but I'm not sure. I'm going to take you guys with us, of course. I posted a lot of Instagram pictures, so if you guys want to check those out, it's going to be over here, I think. Yeah. I actually really like my makeup today. I think this lighting is just really good. We're going shopping tomorrow again. We didn't get to go Sunday because it started raining, but we have more people. We're gonna go back to check it out. I have a bag over here. I'm gonna show you guys what I got when I get home in like a whole haul because I bought a whole bunch of birthday stuff. So, I'm the worst girlfriend ever and I'm making Chris take pictures of me outside. As I was saying, Chris takes all my Instagram pictures. He's the best. Sometimes the pictures are like, they're alright. Oops, I got it free. Here we go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So good.
Here's the picture place. So we just took like 2 pictures. They came out really good. I'm awkward right now because people are coming. We haven't had alone time all weekend, so we're gonna go to the arcade, see if we can win anything before we go out to eat. We're still waiting on the rest of the people to get ready, but we're all dressed. Alright, so we're finally on our way to go out to dinner. Everyone took way forever. Chris is back there with his parents. I'm with Ashley. We're just trying to eat, bro. Okay, we're back home from Egan. I'm currently packing my bag because tomorrow we leave at 11 a.m. I'm gonna end the vlog here just because it seems about right. I'm about to go to bed, but I hope you guys enjoyed the last video and this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye!